Good morning, Durban. It's just before 8 a.m. on Thursday, the 12th of September. Wind Guru shows light northerly winds becoming moderate northeasterly later. Swell looks like around 2.2 to 2.5 meters. The swell period is quite short, so that will make the sea a bit bumpy. There is some low-level cloud cover, but it will be a partly cloudy day today. Tides for fishing shows the wind is currently 11 kilometers per hour from the north and the air temperature is 19 degrees. Atmospheric pressure is 1016 and stable. Sea temperature 19 degrees. The last low tide was at 2:29 a.m. and the next high tide will be at just before 9 a.m. As you can see, there's very little difference between low tide and high tide. We are now in neap tides. We're experiencing the first quarter moon. Moon age from new moon is 8 days. And the next phase will be the full moon on the 18th of September. Next, we'll have the sunrise view. There's a hazy sunrise today. Lots of mist around. As you can see, the sea is quite lumpy. This is the effect of the northeasterly winds. It causes quite a mushy wave. There's not many surfers in the water today, just one or two diehards. As you can see, the wave has no shape. There is some power. You wait for the set. Looks like a washing machine there. Lots of cyclists on the promenade, people jogging, getting the exercise. Still a lovely day on the Durban beachfront. And don't forget, guys, Township Hyper is getting ready for the summer season with a fantastic range of Halco lures. All the new colors are in. Make sure to pay them a visit at Township Hyper. And for all the latest sardine movements, surf reports and weather updates, stay tuned to the sardine.co.za.